Good afternoon, and here we are looking at a straight line. And you may be wondering what it is. This is the Tesla stock on a 1 minute chart that I had been following this morning, completely a straight line in terms of trading. We can try to change it and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And we're going to change it from 1 minute to 5 minute and take a look at it, what it looks like. So this is the action here today on Tesla. Nothing much happening. It's only 3 points up and that happened early in the morning. Now let's look at a 15-minute chart, and now you're getting a better picture. This is what this is doing. It's moving sideways and at such a little bit decline. This is a declining line, and we're going to get to it in a minute. And it is unable to break through this downward sloping line, and that's where Tesla is today. It's trying to get to 330, 345 levels after hours. It probably may, but I don't count on it. This is 30-minute chart. Now we're looking at it. This is the trend line that is Tesla is stuck against. It's stuck in the bottom of it. And if we can penetrate this 330 level here, 335, 40, it can easily do 350 here, which is what it is trying to do, but there has been no selling here. The 50-day moving average and 20-day on the 30 minutes are flat. And if we continue moving out, zooming out, it's a 1 hour chart now. So this is the declining trend line that Tesla is stuck, and it's unable to break through that. Once it breaks, this is like it's like a bullish channel. It's a channel here actually, but it's not quite a bullish channel. It is something as a downward pressure, but the stock is relentless. So let's take a look at it here at the daily chart now. We zoomed out from 1 minute to daily chart. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the channel that Tesla was. It broke here on June 4th, went down here to 273, bounced back, and now it's stuck underneath this downward channel. So it is moving in a downward way, but in a bullish sense that it does not sells off or falls apart here, but it continues striking against it. And one of these days, maybe tomorrow or a few days, it can just break through it to a higher level between 350 and 368. So that is the technical picture of this stock. What it is doing in terms of the market, how the market did today. Let's take a look at it. SPX, which is important to know. SPX has a good day today. It moved up a little bit, about 56 points. And so we have it fell apart on Friday because of the war. And now it has come back to the 6,000 level, which is a good sign. NDX, let's take a look at it. NDX, which is where NASDAQ is, it also has a green candle. It fell apart on Friday, but it's back up to 2139. Below the 20, and Tesla is still is stuck here. SPX is doing well on 15-minute chart. Let's look at the dailies here on SPX calls. For Tesla, we use leaps so that it conserves a lot of amounts of money. It's a cheaper, and we have a deep in the money call 250 next year, which is in June, 365 days. It does have a Tesla. It does have a Theta Decay. So what I'm doing again on it is uh, using a hedge against it, selling an out of the very out of the money call about 400 and 410 level. And so if it moves up a little bit and down, we also get the profit from the call downwards. But that is not going to protect the long 80 delta call, which is like 80 shares of Tesla, and it only costs like about $12, $12,000, $12. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. Tesla has a robotaxi and few other good news that are coming up here on June 22nd. So I expect this thing to be in a bullish manner. And the chart itself is kind of bullish, but it's unable to break through all of this trading here. Today it did nothing for anyone. It was a choppy day, and it ended here at 329. Next break, it will probably take it up to uh, this level 340, 330 through 51, 351, 360. That's the level that probably will end up here. If we break down here on this levels right now, let's say on a 1 hour chart, you could be looking here coming down in to almost like 290s. This is the 50-day moving average, which is at right now the 50 days right now at 311. If it breaks 311, you have to be watching that level very carefully. If it breaks here, next support would be your your 200 day, which is at 297. So it can probably get down to 297 here very easily if it breaks down. Hopefully we'll find support here. Last time we did, and this is a very heavy support here for Tesla in the 295, 297 levels. So this is what the technical analysis is. If you like this content, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, post them down below, and I'll personally answer those questions for you.